Hey everyone, so how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Doctor and Forex Trader. We are here for another live session. As you people know, we are trading NAS 100 completely live on 5 minutes time frame, and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. We are doing proper rule based trading. We give regular psychological advices. The main theme, main goal of this channel, of the streaming program, is to show you the real picture of trading and what reality is trading, so you don't have any fake expectations. You have completely raw and real knowledge. Okay, so let's start today's session. Now you will be seeing the screen. On the screen, my charts are visible to you. So let's open the chart of NAS 100. So we'll do a quick recap. Simple trade was taken in the last session, but we were trapped out due to stop loss. Simple stop loss hunting. This was the trade which we took, and this was the stop loss which I placed, and it simply hit the stop loss, and boom, the trade properly worked out. I realized I broke rules here, because if I would have followed all my rules, so I would have waited for this retest and see how properly a double bottom was formed. A proper engulfing candle was formed after this, which gave us a proper entry, and boom, in 2-3 candles we would have booked the target. But I was mentally exhausted due to my work, due to other things, so at the end I ended up taking a wrong trade. So you have to accept your mistakes, so that you have the responsibility that you did something wrong, so that you can change that thing in future. If you say that this was a blame of market or this or that, then you have lost the right to change that thing, right? But if you're taking your 100% responsibility for everything that is happening to you, just listen to this is very deep meaning thing. If you take 100% responsibility of whatever is happening to you, that means you are giving yourself the right to change everything that is happening to you, right? Psychologically you are preparing yourself that yes, if anything good happens to me, or if anything bad happens to me, I am responsible for that. 100% I am responsible. So you have the courage, you have the right, you have given your mind the direction that yes, this was my mistake, so I have the right to change this mistake in future. Okay, so this is the mindset you should always keep. Never blame others. This is not only for trading, for your personal life also. This thing I studied in the book, I think, The Compound Effect. That was ultimate, one of the best books I have ever read. Okay, so we'll talk. First, let's make our analysis. Let me show you the dashboard. So we are back at minus 3.5% right now. Our balance is 9646. Okay, so let's make today's analysis. So we'll start with 1 day time frame chart. So clear uptrend, formation of higher highs and higher lows, right? 4 hour time frame. Same uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. 1 hour time frame. Similar, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So trend is clearly bullish on all the three major time frames: 1 day, 4 hour, and 1 hour. Let's mark the levels. So today for our bias is clearly bullish only. So one level is this one. I'll go with this one. This is more prominent on 5 minutes for sure, but it seems prominent on 15 as well. And this one, three clear zones, one more, this one. Right, now we'll shift to 5 minutes time frame, use one more level. I'll be using this one. It's a good zone. So as usual, very good evening brother, how are you doing? So you can see this zone also, very high time market has reacted to this level. On 5 minutes it is very clearly visible. Here also it reacted. What I feel is what can happen now in the market. We'll wait for this kind of setup. A double bottom here with a bullish engulfing candle. I'll for sure take a upside trade. Right? We are already, it's 8:12 p.m. So one confirmation is already done for us today. Right? Bias is today clear decided. We are very less interested in bearish trade today because all the time frames are showing bullish. So I am also bullish. My bias is clearly bullish. I will not take any bearish trade today. I am very sure of this. So these two things I have cleared. All other rest three things, when market will react, will form our pattern, then we'll see. So entry criteria is, first is this, second is here it forms a double bottom with a bullish engulfing candle at this zone. I'll take the entry. Third, even if we get a bullish engulfing candle at this zone without any double bottom, then also we can take this trade. But one of our, wait, I'll show you. So one of our bias will not be tick, sorry, confluence will not be tick, that is angle, sorry, chart pattern. No problem, we'll risk a little lower. As I have clearly told you, if it is A plus setup, all 5 confluences, let me write it. Yeah, this can also be an entry because it is also from a zone, but I think I got a bit late. If it comes to entry point, we can take the entry because this is also a trade for us. We'll risk $100. Let's keep the MT5 ready if we get this opportunity. Because this was also clearly in the mind that if we get an engulfing candle, we can take this trade. Yeah, so it has come to the entry point. Well, keep the stop loss bit away. Point one. So we have opened our buy trade at 0.17 lots. This is the trade you can see. Let's place our stop loss. 17,785. सर कितना प्रॉफिट हो गया? प्रॉफिट इज -$354. 17,785. So with this as a stop loss, we are exactly at $100 loss. Okay, if this stop loss hits, we'll be losing $100. This is a setup for us. How? Let me show you. Good level, yes. So it's a trade from good level, yeah. It's an engulfing candle, yeah. Main thing which is not followed here is chart pattern. So four confluences are tick. So it's a setup. So we have raised 1%, that is $100. So it's exactly at $100 stop loss. So we'll place the target at 1:1.5. And what is 1:1.5? If we see the target from price, it's 24 plus 6, 30. So it's 45 points target will be the 1:1.5. So 45 from our entry, it's 829, 869. Alright. So this is the target, this is entry, this is stop loss. 1:1.5 trade placed. Let's see what happens. We already know the results of both sides, so we don't have any reason to get panic. Because we already know either we'll make $150 profit or we'll be losing $100. Simple. There's nothing other than that which can happen. So you don't have the reason to get panic. This is our right now current balance. So if we lose today, our balance will be 9546, and if we win today, it will be around 9800. So you know what will happen. Both side picture is clear to you. There is no uncertain thing that can happen. You cannot have any unpredictable loss, and you cannot have any unpredictable target or profit. Right? So things are already clear to you, so you don't have the reason to get panic. Keep your trading neat and clean and very simple. Always remember, each trade is independent of any other thing that you have done. Like, it don't depends on any trade that you have took in the past, and it will not depend on any trade that you will took in the future. Your mind should be very clear when you are taking one trade. It's always one trade. Your one trade is never a career defining trade or anything like this. So don't ever have a baggage in your mind that we are losing, or we are, our balance is this or this or this or this. And even not on the positive side also, that if you have 5 winning trades in a row, you don't need to think I am the boss and I can win any trade. At the same moment you will start doing blunder, right? So always keep your mind very calm and composed. Any questions, any doubts in anyone, for anyone you want to ask regarding funded account, regarding trading or anything, you're free to ask. So today I gave one trade in the paid group. Let me show you. Come daily. So this was the trade today in the private group. It missed the target by just few margin, and boom, and then again it started. It was a nice trade. I thought in one or two candles only it will hit the target. But as I see, it never sure until the trade is closed. So it's $80 right now. Okay, I will think about this. Thanks for informing. Okay, I will look for this. So we are close to TP, but until it is booked, it is never yours. From past three trading sessions, we are every time getting this much close. Let's hope if we book target today. So what I will do is, all right. So trade has hit the target in just 2-3 candles, and we have booked around $150. Simple, neat and clean trade. Here it is, $154 profit. So as usual, which I said you, our balance will be now 9800. You don't have any reason to get anxious, overthinking or anything. Things are always clear to you. Keep your charts neat and clean. So it is not updated yet. One more trade can be formed here if I feel, but I will not take any entry. Let's just see. It's quite possible that it goes for a read, comes for a retest, and then it may boom. Quite possible. But for us, one trade a day, and we have took that. So I'll not take any other trade. So, alright, let's close today's session. It was a short session, good session. We booked target. So, we'll meet on Monday now. Tomorrow is holiday. Alright, take care. Bye bye. Your host, your friend, Dr. D.